Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring the Teams add-in is enabled. This lets Outlook insert a Teams link automatically. Once done, open your calendar view in the Outlook app or web. You should already have attendee emails and the correct time zone selected. This prevents cross-zone confusion. Now click New Meeting or New Event to begin composing the invite. Do that immediately so you can focus on date, time, and required participants without extra setup steps. Next, enter a clear title and pick the date and start /end times. Make sure the time zone matches attendees' locations. Then click the Teams meeting button so Outlook inserts the conferencing link and dial in info automatically. Add an agenda summary and any attachments, and mark attendees as required or optional to manage expectations. Finally, use the scheduling assistant to check availability. That helps avoid conflicts before you hit send. Review the invite details, set a reminder, and then click send so everyone gets the Teams link and calendar entry. If you need custom permissions, like lobby bypass or presenter roles, open the meeting in Teams and adjust meeting options. This ensures the right access during the call. If the Teams link is missing, reinstall or enable the Teams add-in in Outlook, clear Outlook cache, and restart the app. These steps usually resolve common sync or display issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.